As a filmmaker and video producer, my bag is basically a mini production studio. I'm gonna be packing for an upcoming trip, so let me show you what's in my bag. So 2 years ago, I bought her. This is my Mansio leather workhorse beast. I've loved her down bad. The brand has kindly sent me their newest model, and it's a mix of leather and fabric, so it's a lot lighter. So this one's gonna come with me on the trip. So what's in my bag? First and foremost, my laptop, my baby. I don't play about protecting my laptop. So this bag has a matching laptop sleeve, and then this whole thing goes into the bag and it clips in. The whole thing is just really padded and protected. Also, it has these clips in the back, so I can just like hook my backpack strap to it. I can't actually wear this by itself. And now for all of my tech and filmmaking gear. I've got my Bose noise canceling headphones. I've got my DJI gimbal, my DJI microphone. I also have my Ulanzi selfie stick. So this actually integrates with my phone case. And then because this thing spins, I can shoot horizontal or vertical. I have a little selfie light, an extra pair of wired headphones, and my laptop charger. Also, what I love about this bag is that it's got all these little pockets, so everything has a place to go. Next up is basically my survival kit. Inside the matching makeup bag, ooh, what do I have in here? Hand sanitizer, daily over the makeup sunscreen stick, eye drops, EpiPen, medications, nail file, pen, one that can't leak, this beautiful wooden hairpin I bought from China, hand cream, all the lip products, hair bands, sanitary napkin type things, and lastly, I just throw my wallet in there. I refuse to be the kind of person who's always digging around for their keys. In the front pocket is where I keep my keys, and then also my sunglasses, things I need quick access to. This bag also comes with a matching travel bag, so it's super nice whenever I need to go to the gym after work. I can pack a few items of clothes, some socks, some underwears, toiletries. And the cool thing is that on the back side, I also have this emergency expandable pocket, and I can fit this extra travel bag in there in case of an emergency if I don't have anywhere else to put it. I can even fit my gym shoes in there too. Yes, it does look a little bit crazy, but honestly, it's such a lifesaver when I just need to contain something when I don't have the hands or another bag for it. And at the bottom of the bag, there's actually 2 concealed yoga straps. And so if I have a yoga class after work, I can also bring my mat with me. So on most days, I normally carry this as a messenger bag with 1 strap, but on some days when my bag's getting really heavy, I can actually detach these 2 straps and then attach on the additional strap, and now it can be worn as a backpack. And when I travel, it fits snugly onto my suitcase handle, so from business meetings to the gym, to traveling, to working out at cafes, or filming on the go, that's what's in my bag.